Dear channel partners, we take pleasure and pride to introduce you with the all-new Kubota MU4501 in India, a powerful tractor in the 45 HP segment. Dear friends, before getting into the technical details, please take a few seconds to admire the exteriors of the classy, aerodynamic MU4501. You can clearly observe how strong the MU4501 is. No doubt, it is best suited for the toughest of operations and a perfect match for multi-utility tasks in several field applications. MU4501 has sufficient weight of 1,850 kgs without ballast and traction which is useful for multi-purpose tasks. Now, let us go through the technical details of Kubota MU4501. Have a look at the engine. MU4501 is equipped with a powerful, high fuel-efficient 4-cylinder 45 HP Kubota quad 4-piston KQ4P engine. Liquid-cooled, faster than its competitors from start to acceleration. Quad-piston engines are 4 cylinders with narrow piston ring, which reduces friction and ultimately improves fuel efficiency. They also have 2 balancer shafts, which rotate twice the engine speed to reduce overall vibration. MU4501 has dry-type dual-element air filters, which ensures clean air to the engine and enhances the engine life. The radiator is fitted with radiator mesh, which provides easy cleaning of accumulated dust. In India, operators generally operate the tractor higher hours per day. Therefore, reduction in operator fatigue is a very important factor to make them always smile. Based on this, the MU4501 has been designed with a flat deck so that the operator can get in and out of the tractor without any hindrance. Rarely can we find such a spacious flat deck in other tractors. Easily reached, side shift gear and hydraulic position and draft lever and foot pedals are suspended type in layout, which reduces operator effort of operation. The operator can experience the comfort of driving. Single-piece bonnet gives better access to engine compartment. Very low effort to open bonnet, easy and one-side maintenance of engine. The MU4501 is equipped with key-stop solenoid. Operator can stop the engine by turning only the key. No need to pull out any knob like other tractors. MU4501 is equipped with a double-acting power steering, while most others in its class have a single-acting steering. This enables excellent turning performance. It is so smooth that it can be operated with just a finger. LED light is implemented on the panel. During nighttime operations, indicators can be easily recognized by operators. MU4501 has a 60-liter fuel tank at the front of the operator, resulting in better visibility at rear, which is good for attaching and detaching of implement. MU4501 is equipped with a synchromesh main gearbox, which results in less noise when shifting up and down the gear. Easier engaging of the gears when shifting. MU4501 has high lift capacity of 1,640 kgf in this segment, more than enough for the implements used on these tractors. MU4501 comes with a wide range in speeds, that is 8 forward and 4 reverse. MU4501 is equipped with dual PTO, a standard 540 and economy 750. A lever allows the operator to simply change PTO speed between 540 and 750. The MU4501 provides a clutch with 4 fins, which is definitely top level for the segment. Compared to some similar tractors with 3 fins clutch, the MU4501 gives 33% increased durability, as it has independent clutch lever for PTO operation and separate pedal for main clutch. The thickness of MU4501 front axle is 42% wider than competitors. The rear axle is equipped with multiplex lip structure, and the oil seals are made by a reliable Japanese seal manufacturing company. MU4501 comes with a 4-wheel drive variant, which gives very good performance in any kind of field, especially in wet conditions. It will be an added advantage when working in tough soil conditions. The 4-wheel drive variant prevents slippage and also enhances the traction power of the tractor. Kubota original bevel gear system enables tighter turns in the field. Gear casing is totally sealed and constantly lubricated with oil, providing outstanding dust and waterproof performance.